rice raisins smoothie or flattened rice raisins milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the flattened rice recipes and one of the most different of the raisins recipes, one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes. To make rice flakes raisins milk smoothie or rice flakes raisins milkshake, we have taken 150 grams of rice flakes, 150 to 60 grams of sugar, around 50 to 60 grams of raisins, roasted the raisins in butter, the raisins, the sugar, into the grinder, close and grind well. Pour in 300 ml of milk into the mixture. Close and grind well. Open. Now the flattened rice raisins milkshake is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in mixture into the glass. Flattened rice raisins milkshake or flattened rice raisins smoothie or rice flakes raisins smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the flattened rice recipes and one of the most different of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milkshake recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.